Hello, I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here again with another video regarding Google Merchant Center account suspension, because you may have seen that I have ample of videos regarding Google Merchant Center restoration, because we provide such services for our clients. So here I am again with another case study, but this time the case study is different because today the account suspended was for policy violation. We have previously reviewed regarding misrepresentation, website needs improvement, online store needs improvement, SEO issues, and then there is some issues where you see that the account is suspended for store policy violation. It was a running account. It was not a new merchant center account, but it was a running account, and we suddenly saw an error coming on the account. So you can see that during an account running, we saw the error, and let me show you a glimpse from that account before I move on further. So this was the issue found us that Google found this issue through a manual check, and we were very surprised because this is our old client, and when we see when they were running shopping ads as well, and when you see such an error for them that your account has been suspended through a manual check, it's a very very strange issue for the client, because the campaigns are running and we suddenly see this thing, and everyone gets disappointed because you were expecting some sales that day. You have a sales team, packing support team, and you have ample of cost along, when you are running a campaign or marketing any study for any business. I can understand this is a normal practice, so which is why it was a very strange thing for us. So now I'm going to show you on the account as well. So first of all, let me show you that this is an email we got, that a requested review of misrepresentation has been completed and the issue no longer appears in your merchant account. Now you can see that the account was originally suspended for store policy violation, and now the email sent them by us to us that the review of misrepresentation is no longer over there. And now I can show you the account as well, and the account is over here, and you can see that the account was running, and then suddenly in all of the 6,580 items were disapproved. And when you are running in all of the business, gets suspended for all this. And you can see over here that there was a sudden drop over here as well due to this. And now because the account is no longer suspended, so you can see that it's been running. If you move around on diagnostics, you can see that this was a time when there was an issue, and you can still see that the fewer items still have slight issues, but all the issues do not resulting in suspending of the account. And if you move around the account issues, is perfectly fine. So I'm glad that we were able to get them restored. But if you look around on a few of the things which we did was, we added a robots.txt file. We overviewed on the description content of the page. We also where there was something we assumed that during the checkout process there was a payment method which was originally not being listed as our payment method, but it was shown in the image. We also looked on that. When there was an other coding error and issue, we also looked on that. Sometimes there is an issue when when you add to cart multiple items, and the store do not get reflected with that, and that can also cause suspension. So we also looked on that, and gladly this was a quick recovery for our client, and we were able to help our client to get it back up and running. So yeah, this was another successful case study you can see over here. So in case if you need such services, me and my team can help you. The details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with us. Get started to get your Google Merchant Center account up and running. The procedure is quick and simple. You just have to be patient while working with us. We have a team of experts who can help you around. We also provide researching services for Google Ads account, and even we help in managing of Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO services as well. So if you need such services, the details are in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.